Met staff and students. My name is Lucy Hernandez.
And my name is Tamara Keys.
Today's date is Tuesday, March 25th, 2014. It is a B-Day for Creative Arts. Please stand and join us in reciting the Greenbelt Middle School Pledge.
Good, better, best. Never let it rest until our good becomes our better and our better becomes our best. We are the Greenbelt Bears. We will not settle for less. Believing, exceeding, achieving, we will reach for success. Respect I deserve, respect I will give. I will strive to always do my best. Good, better, best. Never let it rest until our good becomes our better and our better becomes our best.
You may now be seated. Today's lunch choices are roasted barbecue chicken, pizza farcisata, turkey ham and cheese wrap, or tuna salad platter.
Please remember that we are a green school, and as such, no aerosol spray should be used in Greenbelt Middle School. This includes perfumes and body sprays. Again, no aerosol sprays. Anyone who does not adhere to this policy will be dealt per the Students' Rights and Responsibilities Handbook.
The talent show will be held Friday, April 4th, 2014 at 7 p.m. Talent show tickets are now on sale. Tickets cost $3. See Ms. Batten before school to purchase your tickets. No tickets will be sold at the door.
Coach O'Connell will be holding a spring break basketball camp for boys and girls in grades 3 through 8. Camp will take place at Eleanor Roosevelt High School. See Ms. Batten for details in the registration form. The PTA skate night will be held this Friday, March 28, 2014 from 7:30 to 10 p.m. at the Lanham Servant Skate Center. The cost is only $3. Parents who are not skating are free. Tickets are on sale at lunch.
Are you interested in getting your hands dirty and experiencing science? If so, Adventures in Science is the right thing for you. Come join the Prince George County 4-H Youth Development Program and have an adventure in science. Adventures in Science will be held Monday, April 14th, Thursday, April 13th. For more information, see Ms. Ramirez in room 2040. Spots are limited, so sign up fast.
Do you like to make your own music? Would you like your music to be on morning announcements? If yes, please see Ms. Batten. Hey Kayla, who are we honoring today?
In honor of Women's History Month, today we are honoring Sally Ride. Sally Ride was not only the first American woman in space. In 1983, she was also the youngest American astronaut to go there. She received a Presidential Medal of Freedom and is part of the National Women's Hall of Fame and Astronaut Hall of Fame. Now back to Tamara.
Thanks, Kayla. Violence is any mean word, look, or act that hurts a person's body, feelings, or things. No one is entitled to use violence. Violence is not tolerated at our school. If you're in conflict, please seek adult mediation. You cannot handle our problems yourself.
Today is a B-Day for Creative Arts. And remember, at GMS,
We are reaching for success.
have a great day of learning.